Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at sport. Today we'll be going over the first set of combos for level 1.9, which are kind of similar to using like a vanish transition. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have completed level 1.8. If you have not, you can click right there for that level. Welcome to level 1.9, where we get into the final set of combos for level 1. So the first combo that we're going to do today is a front scoot round to a front scoot round. So you're going to do your front scoot round and follow through to a front side stance. From there, you're going to put your cheat leg down and throw your front scoot round. The second combo is going to be a front swipe hook to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your front swipe hook and follow through to a front side stance. From there, you're going to put your swing leg down and throw your front swipe hook. The third combo is going to be a back scoot round to a back scoot round. So you're going to do your back scoot round and land in a backside stance. Put your cheat knee on the ground and throw your back scoot round. And the last combo is going to be a back swipe hook to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your back swipe hook and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your swing knee down and throw your back swipe hook. Now, obviously, if you're going to do any of these, make sure that you have your grounded flip kicks down a little bit. And I want to encourage you guys to mix these combos up with some of the kicking combos that we've learned earlier in this curriculum. And as always, when you're doing combos, make sure you're focusing on the move that you're doing as you're doing it and take it slow in the beginning. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to thank everyone who is supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, we're about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the second set of combos for level 1.9, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.